Today we discuss the Venn diagrams for non-comparable sets. Venn diagrams for non-comparable sets. In previous class, we discussed about Venn diagrams for comparable sets. Already I explained in the class. Comparable set means either A is subset of B or B is subset of A. Okay? Either A, the elements of A completely contained in B, or elements of B completely contained in A. So then we can say that A comma B are comparable sets. Here, non-comparable means A is not subset of B or B is not subset of A. For example, I am taking A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is, these are two different sets. Either A is not subset of B or B is not subset of B. That is, A is not subset of B. B means there are some common elements in A and B, but not completely having the all elements. Okay. So here these type of sets are non-comparable sets. Suppose for these type of sets I need to draw the Venn diagram. So we take the same example. A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, and universal set I am taking first 7 negative, first 7 positive integer. Okay, so A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, and U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So already we discussed that we need to represent the universal set with the rectangle. Universal set with the rectangle. So now I am taking A and B because there are some common elements for A and B. So what are those common elements? 1, 2, 3 is here, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Only common element is 3. You write 3 here. And write all other elements of A, 1 comma 2, 1, 2 here. Now 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. This represents A, this represents B. What are the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? We are having all elements here. The only left out element is here 7. So we need to write here as 7. Suppose I need to find A union B. So the shaded area will be all the elements A union B. Okay. For the same sets, A intersection B. Intersection means common elements. Intersection means common elements. So that is the common area will be shaded only. That is A B. You write as it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only the common area will be shaded. Okay. So here the shaded area represents A union B. Shaded area represents A union B. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the shaded area represents A intersection B. Shaded area represents A intersection B. Similarly, A minus B. So already I explained the operation on sets. A minus B means the elements in A but not in B. So the elements in A but not in B. So here we are having 1 but we don't have 1 here. So we can write 1 here. And we are having 2 here, we don't have 2 here. We can write 2 here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. A minus B. A minus B means we completely close this B, A minus B. So that is, what are the elements A minus B? 1 comma 2. Therefore, the shaded area is B. Okay. So these are the Venn diagrams for non-comparable sets. Non-comparable set means there are some other elements, okay, existing in A which are not in B. There are also some other elements which are not in A. Okay. So these type of elements. Suppose I am taking A equal to 1 to 3, B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 3 is the common element for A and B. I am writing those common elements as 3. And other elements in A, 1 common. Other elements in B, 4, 5, 6. Union means we need to shade all the area. Intersection means we need to shade only common area. A minus B means we need to leave completely the B set. Only the remaining, the where A minus B elements presents 1 comma 2. So at that place we need to shade. This is A minus. Now we discuss Venn diagrams for disjoint sets. So what is the meaning of disjoint sets? Earlier we discussed about comparable sets and non-comparable sets. So now today we discuss Venn diagrams for disjoint sets. So first of all I am writing the definition of disjoint sets here. Two sets A comma B are said to be disjoint sets if there are no common elements in the sets A and B. I will explain you with one example. I am taking A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is the set odd numbers below 10. Odd natural numbers below 10. And I am taking another set B, even numbers below 10. Even natural numbers below 10. So here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So there are no element is present both in A and B. That is, there are no common elements in A and B. Suppose I am representing these two sets with one Venn diagram. I am taking universal set as the first term natural numbers. So here A, B. I denoted the universal set with rectangle. I am taking A as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B 2, 4, 6, 8. Because there are no common elements, there is no need of joining these two sets. So A is completely different set from B. B is completely different from A. Therefore, A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So I have taken below 10 even numbers, below 10 odd numbers. The only element 10 which is not covered in A and as well as in B. So that's why I am taking in the universal sets. So these are called as disjoint sets. So simply we can say that if A intersection B equal to MD sets. So because there are no common elements, A intersection B will be empty set. So these type of sets are called as disjoint sets. Now I discuss how to draw Venn diagrams for different operations for disjoint sets. So this is a general diagram. You already draw the Venn diagram. So suppose A union B for disjoint sets. A union B for disjoint sets. We need to show by Venn diagram. We need to shade them A and B. Because here A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We are having B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. A union B means we need to take all the elements of A and as well as B. Therefore, A union B equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8. Because we are writing the elements in roster form, so there is no priority for order. So order is not important in roster form. We can write like anything. Okay. So we need to present all the elements, but order is don't have any priority. So this is A union B. Here the shaded area represents A union B. A union B represents shaded area represents A in B. Okay, now for these two sets, A intersection B. So A intersection B will be A intersection B. So here there are no common elements for A and B. A intersection B is empty set. So empty set means there is no common, no shaded area. Empty set means there is no shaded area. Just we write as this A B. There is no shaded area for Venn diagrams from disjoint sets for A intersection B. Okay, for the same sets, if I need to represent A minus B by using Venn diagram, A minus B by using Venn diagram. A minus B by using Venn diagram. So here A equal to 13579, B equal to 2468. A minus B means the elements in A but not in B. That is A minus B. Because these two are the disjoint sets, all the elements in A are not in B. Therefore A minus B again 13579. So that is we need to take the shaded area A minus B. So here A minus B represents shaded area represents A minus B. Shaded area represents A minus B. Similarly, if you take B minus A, so if you take B minus A, all the elements are in B are not in A. Therefore, B minus A is equals to A. B minus A equal to 2468, which is equals to again B. So for B minus A, we need to take the Venn diagram as B minus A, A, B, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8. So B minus A means we got B here. So therefore, the shaded area represents, we need to take a shaded area, B minus A equal to 2468. Therefore, at the elements 2468, we need to shade. So B minus A equal to 2468. So these are the 4 Venn diagrams for disjoint sets. Okay, once again I will show you. A union B, A intersection B, A minus B. Where A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B equal to 2, 4, 6, 6. So A union B, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 6. A intersection B, A minus B, so A union B means we need to shade A as well as B. A minus A intersection B means there are no common elements, no need to shade these states. No need to shade these states. A minus B means we need to shade only the set A. Similarly, while taking B minus A, we need to shade only the set B.